Hi friends, this video shows how to uninstall update of a system app. Go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to apps. Select see all apps. Go down. Select show system apps. And here you can see all system apps. From this list, let me select one system app, ambient mode. Please note the current version of this app. It shows version 3.1.072. See, I am going to uninstall the update. Let me select uninstall updates. Select OK. See, you can see the version has been changed. Now shows 3.0. Earlier it was 3.1. Okay, so this way we can uninstall update of a system app. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.